Hello!
Alright folks, we're back for some more burps. We haven't had a video in a while, but figure it's time. Been very busy figuring out new burping potions.
Alright, time is 3:08.
Alright.
That's what time it is.
Let's do it.
Time to do some burps. Go ahead. Oh, stinks. Trying not to breathe. For our international viewers.
Welcome to Buffalo, New York. Over the ticket way. And the Berbers. Hey everybody! Hey everybody! Joe Gobinsky! What? Buongiorno, bonjour!
Gotta say hi in different languages.
Hola! Konnichiwa!
For our friends in China.
Meow!
I didn't even know that one. What else is there?
I don't know.
The Indians, namaste.
Namaste!
For the Polish.
British!
Wow, it's been a while.
Shalom!
Oh man, I'm done.
No, you're not. Yeah. I am.
Fuck. That was some good times right there.
We gotta wrap this up.
Okay, I guess we're wrapping it up.